How to use Perplexity AI. Getting started with Perplexity AI. Are you ready to revolutionize the way you search for information? Today, we're diving into how to effectively use Perplexity AI, a powerful tool that combines the best of AI and search engines. In this video, we'll walk through the essential features of Perplexity AI, including how to ask questions, utilize its unique tools, and streamline your research process. To begin, simply visit the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai/perplexity.ai/. You can start using it right away without needing to create an account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a search bar where you can type your questions just like you would in any search engine. Asking questions effectively. When using Perplexity AI, clarity is key. Start by asking clear and specific questions. For example, instead of asking, "Tell me about volcanoes," try, "What are the causes of volcanic eruptions?" Utilize the search focus feature to refine your results. This allows you to specify what type of sources you want, like academic papers or news articles, ensuring more relevant answers. Welcome to Top Tech Today, your daily dose of everything tech. We're bringing you the most important tech news, insightful reviews, and in-depth analysis, all in one place. So hit that subscribe button and join our community of tech enthusiasts. Get ready to be informed, entertained, and inspired. Let's face it. Exploring features, images and videos. You can also generate images related to your queries. Simply ask for an image on a specific topic and Perplexity AI will create one for you. Pro Search. If you need deeper insights, consider using Pro Search. This feature provides access to premium sources and more detailed information. Collections. Organize your findings with the Collections feature. You can create custom collections for different topics, making it easier to reference your research later. Discover section. Stay updated with trending topics by exploring the Discover section. It highlights popular searches and emerging trends in real time. Advanced tools. Perplexity AI also allows you to summarize complex information. If you have charts or lengthy articles, simply upload them and ask for a summary. The platform supports attaching PDFs for analysis, which is particularly useful for students and researchers who need to reference academic materials. Practical applications. Here are a few ways you can use Perplexity AI effectively. Research projects. Quickly gather information and organize it into collections. Content creation. Generate ideas or outlines for articles by asking targeted questions. Learning tool. Use it as a study aid by summarizing articles or exploring new topics interactively. In summary, Perplexity AI is a versatile tool that enhances your ability to find and organize information efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on leveraging technology in your daily life. Thanks for watching. Dive into Perplexity AI today and transform how you engage with information.